Hello, welcome back to the channel. Oliver's musical genius in search of the perfect jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by GetYouSomeProductions.com, my music production company and podcast, link in the description. This video is also brought to you by GetYouSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website, link in the description as well. I'm going to be playing a song called Backwards by the Handshake, the Handshake.band. I'll also include a link to their site if you want to hear the original version. The Handshake.band. The song is called Backwards, and I'm going to play the song, and because I promised to play for 10 minutes on every single video, I'm going to hit my Donner triple looper, and I'm going to put a loop on at the end of the song, and I'm going to jam to fill out the remaining 10 minutes. Here we go. I want you to bend over backwards. It's subliminal, and I'll do for you. So much to be good, because you're worth it. Bend over backward. I'll bend for you backwards. It's subliminal, and I'll do for you. So much to be good, because you're worth it. Bend over backward. I love her now. You may think that I have changed, but the part of me that holds this love is exactly the part that I've retained. I've forgotten so much that it takes the breath from me, but I remember enough, so it does the same damn thing. And the water rushes up again. I'm a backward asshole, and I'll just let go. I'm a backward asshole, and I'll just let go. And I hope for a happy ending when the tide turns around. And I hope for a happy Maybe you could picture me listening to you, singing to me. And with that, I'll go on feeling very good every day, but with something inside of me that won't go away. As I listen to this machine spin, I realize that time travel is a lie that hurts like love. And as I live, whatever motivates these feelings, motivate my memories, wrap around my heart like a glove. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 yeah. Thank you for watching.